push it in. Now M2 SSD storage is now 1 terabyte. Hey guys, I have my PS5 Slim digital here, and I would like to add another terabyte of SSD to it. And here you go, I got myself a ADATA Legend 850 Lite, and this is PCIe Gen 4 X4 M.2 2280 SSD. It's just such a long name. I've just called it Legend 850 Lite, and 1 terabyte. Yeah, 1000 gigabyte equals to 1 terabyte. And that's the side. And over here it looks like this. Nothing special, but if you look at this, this is made for, it works with PS5. Yeah, it works with PS5, and the speed is up to 5000 megabytes per second, or megabits per second, I can't remember. So wow, so many things here. All right, anyway, I won't read those, and let's open this. Okay, how do I do this? Yeah, there you go. So this is the first time I'm doing this, opening this, and there you go, guys. Looks pretty cool, yeah? And what is this? Is this the heatsink? Yeah, it comes with a heatsink. Interesting. I got another PS5 heatsink, which I bought for a very low price. I think about 3-4 ringgit. Just maybe a dollar. Why is it so tight? Okay. So this is the heatsink, I assume, yeah, because it does nothing but just a piece of metal. And this is the SSD, which is, yeah, like that, nothing special. Okay, and it says it's a M.2 Legend 850 Lite 1000 GB or gigabyte. It comes with the serial number as well, so yeah. So guys, I won't be using the heatsink provided by Legend, because when I do a comparison on the third-party heatsink that I bought, I think this will have a much better effect. Instead of using this is just a piece, I don't know, a piece of metal, which is flat, and this one comes with lots of surface to dissipate the heat. Yeah, so this also comes with double-sided tape, so I'm going to tape it first. I'm going to tape the heatsink first. Plastic, yes. And I will put it on this ADATA Legend 850 SSD. I think this is the, so far, the lowest price SSD, which is confirmed working with PS5, yeah, which is already okay. I think that should do it. That is officially confirmed working with the PS5, yeah. So okay, that should do it. Looks good. Yep. And it also comes with this rubber band. You position it in place. It's not too tight, which is just all right. Yeah. So I'm just going to move it in the middle. Yeah. Okay, that way it's tight enough, and it's all the heats will actually goes to the heatsink instead of stuck to itself, to the SSD itself. So first off, I would like to take out the faceplate, and I'll remove these two first, the stand, and after that I will be removing this side, the faceplate, yep, where I get to access the SSD. So let's try and open this right now. I need to have a screwdriver for this, a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, let's remove this. All right, and I think the easy way is to just use this to move it up. And I need to take out this. This is called the holder, I think. And you need to do a measure on, because this will be something that will help you to hold it, yeah, for the stand. Hold it so that it's, these things here can actually be the stand for your SSD. So you got to go for AT, yeah. So there is a few numbers here. So from 30, 42, 60, 80, 110. So it goes to 80. I think 80 is for 80 mm, yeah. So all you need to do is just that, and push it in. Yeah, you can hear that, right? So there you go, it fits just nicely. So make sure you use this, the screw just now. Just push it down and screw it. It's straight, it's not too tight, just nice. And there you go, it's done. Just as easy as that. So I'm just gonna put this back and close it. And guys, look at the screw. It comes with the 4 logo, yeah. There's triangle, X, 0, I mean the circle, and also a square, which is nice to details, yeah. The details is really nice. Okay, now it's the time to push this back in. Just need to align back here and push it in. Okay, I think that's it. Okay. Okay. So there you go. Done. So next is to plug back in and start the PS5. Right, let's start the PS5 now. Okay, so you get to see this. It says to use your M2 SSD, you need to format it. When you format your SSD, data will be deleted. And when you continue, okay, it's brand new. So I don't mind, yeah, formatting it. So just format it, yep, done. Okay, so it says that try installing console with speed is 4361. Okay, and it's formatted. To change your games, to change where your games are installed, go to settings, storage location. Okay, safely remove SSD, turn off the PS5 first. I'm not going to remove it. Okay, rebuilding database, then it's done. Now I'm going to check out the storage space right now, yeah, to see whether it's really getting me 2 terabytes of storage or not. So I'm going to go up to storage and take a look at that. Console storage is still 848 gig, and M2 SSD storage is now 1 terabyte. Well, nice. 1.00 terabyte free space. Just nice. Okay, and yeah, I don't have any USB extended storage, so I think that should be it. Yep. So say I would like to install a game. I'm just trying here. Let me just try to install Dead Island. Download. And yes, download PS5 version. Why is it asking me to clear up some space or change? Can't install, you need at least 69 gig. Okay, I'm going to change installation location to SSD. So you can always change, always install PS5 content here. Yes, okay. And there you go, it's installing now. It's downloading. Yeah, it's downloading, which is nice. Good. So there you go, guys. Now I have additional 1 terabyte for my games, and I don't have to keep deleting old games and installing new games. So this should give me another 10 or 20 games depending on the size. 60 gig means I can install another 15 times of these games. 15 Dead Island 2. Of course I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for looking at this. I think this ADATA Legend 850 works fine. So guys, I've just installed the Dead Island 2 to the SSD. Let's open it. Oh, how do I open this? Okay, let's play this, yeah? Now to make sure that I can play on the SSD, let's press on play game and see how fast it loads. Just like normal. Works fine. Okay, thanks a lot guys. Bye.